Deafin Tribe, what is going on today? Man, it is a beautiful day outside today. If you haven't gotten up to get active, I suggest you get up and get active. I just got done working out. I would have kept working out if it wouldn't have started raining as hard as it did, but at least I got up and raised my vibrations and raised my energy levels, okay? Now, I'm so happy to see you guys. So happy y'all could join me. Hope you're happy to see me as well. If you are new to this tribe, if you are new to this family, what I need you to do right now at this very moment is press pause on this video, go subscribe to the tribe, come back and get ready to receive this knowledge with good grace, okay? Now, today, I hope you chose to grind. I hope you chose success. I hope you chose to chase your dreams. And I hope you chose to smack your goals. Now, when we say smack our goals, all we are doing is hitting our goals head on, head first. We got faith over fear. We understand that whatever you are doing, you got to put max energy every hour on the hour for 24 hours to attaining your goals. So whatever you wrote out on the cue card last night, whatever you wrote out on your vision board, whatever you wrote out on your dry erase board, on your tablet, on the notebook, let's make sure that you affirm it, okay? You don't let nobody play with you, so you don't play with yourself, all right? Yes. Now, let's eat. Now, when we say let's eat, all we about to do is feed our mind, body, soul, and spirits. We understand that whatever you eat, drink, read, watch, and listen to will express itself in the human form in the near future. So let's make sure whatever you are eating and drinking has the proper nutrients and proper vitamins for you to become your best self. And whatever you are reading, watching, and listening to, let's make sure that it has the proper knowledge for you to excel and become your greatest self, all right? Now, it is almost time for me to break my fast. Allahu Akbar. I'm so excited. I am so happy. I'm so happy and grateful because I get to experience this human life. I am so happy and grateful that Allah lives in me. I am so happy and grateful that I found Islam. I am so happy and grateful just to be here, just to be talking with you guys, okay? But I worked out. I lost a lot of sweat. I am ready to drink some water. I'm ready to get some watermelon and my dates. I'm ready to pray. But before I do all of that, after my workout, I felt it was only right to put this on you guys' brain. Don't chase her, replace her. Now, if you are on this journey, if you are building yourself, if you are building your foundation, you already see this vision clear. Or if you haven't really seen it clear, you kind of got a hint of where you want to go with your life. So do not chase her, fellas, replace her. She most likely does not have her stuff together. She most likely does not know what she wants. She most likely is indecisive about if she wants to go left or right in her life. So it's not on you to try to sit around and be stagnant or sit around and waste time or sit around and chase her because she wants you to get on this chase mission. She wants to play cat and mouse. We are not doing that. You, my friend, are an alpha male. You are a male that is standing firm. You are a male that is building on yourself. You see that you are on a journey that most men cannot even stand on, and you are doing it. So why would you sit around and wait for her, or why would you play cat and mouse, and why would you chase? It makes no sense. Manifest getting up out of that small town, manifest getting up out of that small city, manifest getting up out of America or whatever country you in, and travel either to America or from America, or travel around the world to try to make sure that you can be around certain different places to attract that to you. You can attract the right woman to you. You do not have to settle for less. That's what we're not going to do is we're not going to settle. I said it on the previous video. We will not settle. So there's no reason for you to be chasing this woman when you know yourself that you are working on you. No, chase your future self. Chase your dreams. Chase your goals. Chase your aspirations. Chase the person that you've been seeing and manifesting and putting on your vision board. Chase that. Chase the people that are doing what you want to do in life. Make sure you chase them because they are the people that are going to help you. They're going to lead you into success, not lead you into darkness. It is a lot of men that are on this channel that have been led into darkness. And me, Razal, I am here to bring the Deafin Tribe up into the light and to understand that y'all are powerful. Y'all are powerful beings. Y'all don't even understand y'all make me powerful. Y'all make me happy. Y'all make me grateful. Y'all keep me going. So it is fact that you, my friend, are powerful. So you need to use that power, use that strength to keep building on yourself, keep building on the foundation that you and your future family will stand on to rise up, and stop wasting your time with these lackadaisical women or these indecisive women. No, if you are somebody that said, hey, we not getting in the bed and doing this because I am really focused on this journey and I'm almost there. I'm almost to 7 days. I'm almost to 14 days. I'm almost to 21 days. I'm almost to the 30-day mark, to the 45-day mark, to the 90-day mark. And she is trying to drain you and she's trying to go left. Hey, I already told you she's not for you. But we need to know that if she's not for you, don't second guess your decision. Stand firm on your decision. Be definite and understand you are not chasing no cat. That is not for you. That's not for us. We are the 1%ers. We are not the guys that are going out sad. We are not the guys that are committing suicide behind a woman. We are not the guys that are committing homicides behind a woman. We are not fighting men behind a woman. We are not DMing men behind a woman. We are not asking men questions about a woman. No, the woman that is for you, you will know that she's for you. She will stand out. She will submit to you with no question because it's natural. She will be in her feminine state. She will want to listen to you. She will want to follow your leadership. I just said this. She will want to follow your leadership. So it's not on you to chase her. She is supposed to be chasing you. She's supposed to be getting herself right so she can be by you. You have to demand that energy. You got to demand it. You cannot ask for it. You cannot put your head down and be like, hey, do you think while I'm doing? No. You're not for what I'm on? Keep it moving. Keep moving. No disrespect, baby. Keep it moving. Yeah, I got respect for you. Yeah, you're beautiful. I have nothing to give you. I have no time to waste with you. I am building myself right now, and I know what's in the near future for me, and I'll be darned, because I can't curse right now, I'll be darned if I waste my time on you. I'm not finna waste my time on you being indecisive or you not knowing what you want out of life. I'm not finna waste my time on you saying, hey, I know you on this journey, but look, I've been so used to going and hanging with my girls and doing all this right now that I'm going to keep doing. No, you're not with me. You're going to practice. You're going to become a greater person. You are going to read books. You are going to build your stock of knowledge. You are going to be my backbone. You are going to be somebody that helps me. You are going to be somebody that I can understand my feminine side because we have that. That doesn't mean you have to act like a woman, though. That just means you got to be somebody that understands that you can cater to how she feels at certain times. If she's somebody that follows you, if she's somebody that submits to you, if she's somebody that understands you, if she understands God, if she understands where you're going with your life and she's down for the ride and the roller coaster, that's the person that you can go ahead and say, you know what? I want to figure out my feminine side. Because we are alpha men, but we all have feminine sides. You've had that. Especially if you're a father, you got to understand it. When your child was born, you cried. You felt like, oh my gosh, weak in the knees. If you are somebody that's married and you married to the right one, you felt that. You felt the butterflies. You probably cried at the altar. If you somebody that's engaged right now, you probably felt that before you asked her to be your wife. You got to understand we have that in us. We were born from a woman, a powerful woman. Women, we have half man, half woman. That's why some people look just like their mama and their daddy. You got to understand that. You have that inside of you. But you got to understand where to channel that energy and you got to understand where to put it. And it only takes the right woman. It can't be the wrong woman. So don't settle for less. Don't end up going outside chasing some thought. Why are you chasing her? Because the cat was good? Stop it. Because the head was good? Stop it. Don't be that guy. Because once she gets to using that against you, once she gets to being that person that's like, you know what? You can't go without this. Yeah, whatever. He gonna be coming back. Then she got you. She got you in a chokehold. That ain't how you got to operate, bro. You cannot operate that way. You have to make sure that you keep your frequencies up high. And you got to make sure that you are cutting off all low vibrational people. You got to make sure you are cutting off all the people who don't want to listen. You got to make sure you are cutting off all the people who don't want to rock how you want to rock because you have a clear understanding of what you want to do. As long as you have a clear understanding of what you want to do, guess what? The life that you want will come into fruition. It will come manifested into the physical because you believe. You have faith. You honor the word of God. You honor yourself. You stick to your guns. You are disciplined. You remain disciplined. You make disciplinary choices and you do not fail in those areas because you understand where you want to go, where you want to be, and where you see yourself in the near future. No, we are not chasing no woman because of how she looks, because of how she made us feel in the bedroom, because we don't want nobody else to have her, because we feel like it's rare that we got her, because we feel like she a baddie, because we feel like, man, that's the one, that ain't the one. If she making you second guess if you need her or not, she's not the one that you need. You need to go ahead and let her go. Make that decision today that you not finna chase her. If she hung up in your face, let her go. Don't call back. Don't be the weakling to call back. The woman that is for you, she ain't gonna even do that. She ain't gonna weigh out her options because it ain't no other options. Once they become clear that you're the man that's retaining your seed, 99% of the men are not. They're wasting their seed. So all you got to do is question her. Hold on real quick. Wait, what you finna find out here? Okay? So be that guy. Stand in your alpha right. Understand who you are. Understand you're a royal. You are somebody that is practicing something daily. You might not know that, but you can perfect yourself. You can perfect how you act. You can perfect how you are disciplined. You can perfect your mind. You can perfect what you eat. You can perfect what you put into your mind. You can perfect who you are around. You can perfect the certain environments that you go in. You can make sure that you perfect that and say, no, I'm not going in that environment. No, I'm not messing with this type of woman. No, I'm not letting a woman come and drain me of my male energy. We need to be building in business. We need to be building with each other. We need to be building a life of righteousness. And if not, then I'm going to let you go and I'm not finna chase you. I'm about to replace you. It's that simple. Now, stay hungry, stay humble, stay ready to keep from getting ready. If you are new to this tribe, if you are new to this family, we welcome you with open arms. All my day ones, you already know, utmost gratitude. I love you guys. What I need y'all to do right now at this very moment is smash that notification bell. Turn it up to all. Make sure that you receive this heat. You receive these messages. You receive these videos as soon as I drop them and not a minute later. Also, smash the like button on all the content. I need all of my subscribers. There's 530 plus of us. Smash the like button. Smash the like button so this message can get out to everybody. Like, comment, share, subscribe, join the Discord. Yes, we are going for 100,000+ subscribers. Right now, we are at 530 plus. It's been almost 3 months. We're going hard, okay? But what I need y'all to do is join the Discord, smash the like button, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure we get these videos out to the masses. Make sure we tap in with each other on a more personal level on the Discord. And guess what? We're going to keep growing and glowing, okay? Now, until next time, Deaf and Tribe, I love you guys. Peace.